Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net. So we're back tonight with another great Cricut project. So let's jump in and get started making our craft. The supplies you'll need are some mason jar lids, some cork, some heat transfer vinyl, your easy press and easy press mat, some weeding tools, as well as a Teflon sheet and a hot glue gun. Now you'll want to cut your designs using your Cricut machine. And I'm going to have the cut files available on the countrysheetcottage.net that I am using, but you can definitely design your own coasters and use the same method. Then you want to download those designs, upload them to Cricut Design Space, mirror the designs, and cut them from heat transfer vinyl. You'll want to cut the heat transfer vinyl shiny side down on your mat, and then you want to weed away all the excess. This includes everything from around the outside of the design as well as the centers of any letters. You'll want to be left with only the design you want transferred to your coaster when your weeding is complete. Then once the weeding is complete, you can start to make the coaster itself. I cut my cork just with a pair of scissors and just traced the mason jar lid itself on the cork surface. You can definitely cut cork with your Cricut machine, so if you want to set this up in Cricut Design Space, feel free to do so. So I just cut mine with a pair of scissors and traced it with my pen, and just repeat these same methods for all of your coasters. So cut all of the heat transfer vinyl for all the coasters you want to make, and cut all of the cork for all the coasters you want to make as well. Then to start assembling our coasters, we'll want to put the heat transfer vinyl on the cork wherever we want it located. And then we want to protect the cork itself from the easy press heat. So we're going to use a Teflon sheet for that, but you could also use parchment paper. And then we're going to press that for the time and temperature on the Cricut heat guide. I'll leave a link for the Cricut heat guide in the description below, and you want to press that for the full time at the correct temperature. And then we'll want to flip that coaster over, and we'll want to press it from the back. However, it's super hot, so you may want to let it cool just a couple of seconds before flipping that over. Again, protecting it with the Teflon sheet, and then pressing from the back for the full time and temperature. Then once you've pressed it from the back, again it will be hot, so be sure to be really careful. And this time we'll want to let it cool completely. So you want to let it cool completely before we take off that protective sheet from the heat transfer vinyl. And then once it's cool, you can just start peeling that back. Just peel it back slowly. If it starts to lift as you're peeling back, just replace that liner and then press it again for the full time and temperature, and just repeat until it's completely adhered to the cork. Then once it's adhered, you can start assembling the coasters themselves. So just use your hot glue gun to secure the mason jar lid and band together. And then we can use the hot glue to secure the cork into place. So just be sure to secure all the way around the outside as well as a little bit in the middle, and then add the cork to the inside. And now your coasters are complete. So you just need to repeat this for as many coasters as you want. Make them custom for any party that you may be planning, and then everyone will love the coasters that you have out at your event. So that was super easy, right? The Cricut makes everything easier. So thank you all so much for joining me today. If you love this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. You'll also want to head to our YouTube channel and subscribe, as we have crafting videos all the time, all about your Cricut machine and more, and you don't want to miss any of those. If you have any questions about anything we did today, feel free to ask those in the comment section below, because we love comments. Thanks y'all, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.